lost in dreams where love took flight. Silent tears in the most cold light. A shadowed love that ain't so bright. You walked away with broken grace, but left me here in an empty space. Every whisper now feels misplaced. Memories fade, scars interlaced. From love's peak to downfall steep, heart beats heavy but secrets keep. In shadows deep where sorrows creep, I'll rise again from where I weep. From love's peak to downfall steep, heart beats heavy but secrets keep. And in shadows deep where sorrows creep, I'll rise again from where I weep. Ashes of us scatter in the breeze, bittersweet moments none to seize. Healing comes though it won't appease. Still I stand strong against the freeze. Your footprints linger in fading sands, crumbling castles built by our hands, torn apart like worn out strands, searching for stars in unknown lands. From love